Hello, welcome to Lizard Bikes. I've been working on this old Firestone Monark, and this is the train headlight, and it's got like a starboard side and other side, and oh, let's take this cover off. Oh, let's see, why is that not moving? Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Get this apart. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, the lens was caught, and then this bulb reflector area was caught, so yeah, it didn't want to come apart. But anyhow, I fixed the batteries here by adding this jumper wire. The bulb is like this. What do we got here for the voltage of the bulb? Let's see if I can see it. 2.2 volt. 2.2 volt, 0.25 amp. That's what I think I got here. Oh yeah, and it's windy. Fall over or get blown away. So okay, here's the switch here, and I managed to pry that open and check that, but I don't really think the switch is the problem. Like I figured out with this one at least, and hopefully nothing shifted inside this switch. When I pried up these prongs here, there's like 2 prongs on each side. I don't know if you can see that. And oh, I figured out that the positive has to be against the bulb. Okay, that's usually how they go into a vintage headlight. The positive goes right against the very tippy of that bulb. But anyhow, I pried open the switch with the 2 clips at each, and hopefully nothing shifted in there. But I did solder on a jumper wire from, like, that is the negative, to the negative of the bulb, which is around the outside of the bulb. And that's how I got it to work. Because I don't know if it's supposed to go through this other metal, or if there was any wire here and it just came off, or what happened. But now it does work. And actually I figured out here too, which I thought was unusual, is towards the fork, or towards the rear of the bike, is the on. So I don't know if you can see that now, that bulb is on. But anyhow, that's how you put batteries in this style of light, is the positive goes at the very tippy of that bulb. I'll put some information too in the video about the wattage of the bulb, voltage and wattage of the bulb, to make it work. Because I had 6-volt bulbs. I have a lot of them for dynamo headlights, and the 6-volt bulbs didn't work. So that's how I got it, and I put in this jumper wire, soldered that in to the bottom of this switch and to the side of the bulb, which that's the negative part. Positive is that very tippy end. Alright, that's all I got for you today, and we're cleaning up some old toe straps here. I was thinking of using those for something else, but I think I'm just gonna get rid of them on eBay. So yep, that's how I fix this headlight. I'm gonna turn off this battery, and I'm gonna remove the batteries and store them somewhere cooler. But yeah, this is how the little plastic lens goes in there. I got it kind of taped because you know, it kind of isn't shaped properly. And actually this whole housing isn't shaped that properly, but it's good enough because it's very old. 1951, so what would that be? You know, 75, 80 years old. 79 years old. All right, thanks for watching.